Hello there, how are you doing? If you want to see this eye look at the end of this video, it will be the tutorial. So I haven't wear makeup a lot this last month, and I didn't film a lot either, so I was not wearing tons of makeup. And with the thing that is going on globally, I preferred cleaning the house. The things that I'm taking classes are virtual now, and they're kind of making you read a lot of stuff, because one thing is when you go to a classroom, the things and how you see content is totally different from a virtual class. So everything that I can take a picture of, it will be right now. And the only thing that I can measure is the foundation. I used this foundation this month, and I just only use a tiny bit. I separated 5 pumps for tomorrow because I will be doing something in Spanish, like how long these wears throughout the day, that I wanted to do it throughout these last 2 weeks, but I couldn't do anything. So yeah, the foundation for April will be my Most Beloved foundation. So yes, I haven't measured it, but it's right there. Well, this is what I've gotten today, and well, I will leave you with the tutorial. Well, this is the first step of the look. This is kind of, it's not complete. I didn't put any mascara yet. The only thing that I done on this eye was adding some black eyeliner on the upper inner rim. So let's start it. I already primed my eyelid, and I will be using part of this eyeshadow palette, but I will put the colors how I see them and the finish like I see them in the description box. So I will start with this shade here, like a nice transition shade. I changed, sorry, because of this thing going on. I just changed locations in my room. I cleaned everything. Now I will apply the turquoise. What I'm going to do now is I will mix 2 different shades because I wanted something more pinkish, but I didn't have it. So I mixed the first shade here, and this shade here. This shade, that is a duochrome. I will add this shade and then this shade just when it's the crease. If you want to go back to the first shade, you totally can do that, just to clean more the edges. I will finish the look and I see you in a bit. Well, the last part, I took another eyeshadow palette, I know, and I will use these two colors here. So the first is a tiny bit of this and the gold, very yellow gold in the inner corner. And that's how you do this eye look. And of course, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.